Hey, let's save the tooth. Hi, I'm Dr. Bernard from Dental Designs Clinic in Singapore. Today we want to talk to you about loose teeth and how do we save a loose tooth. So firstly, how do you get a tooth loose in the first place? There are many ways that this can happen. One of the most common ways, of course, is that you have chronic gum disease. That means gum disease that's been in your mouth for a long time, and eventually the inflammation around the gums has caused bone loss around your teeth. So imagine it's like you have a post in the ground and the ground has become a little bit muddy, right? So the bone has lost the support onto the tooth and you get this wobbly tooth. Now, if you have multiple wobbly teeth, what sometimes we do if we really want to save it is that we will split them together. Sometimes we put a wire or a fiber material to stick all the teeth together. Imagine a picket fence, and then they will act like one tooth that has multiple roots, and it just becomes much stronger. Sometimes the inflammation will die down and the bone will return. The very important thing to also address is the inflammation. So if you have gum disease, usually it's bacteria related. There are certain gum regenerative procedures that you can do to eventually get the bone back. There's also deep cleaning, which is also very important to do as part of the treatment. And the other thing is to not have so much force exerted on the teeth. Because they're already loose, what happens is that if there's more pressure on it, it will just get looser and looser. The root of the tooth needs to have all that load off. How you do that is that we have to address sometimes the clenching and grinding issues you have, and then you can have a night guard made, and that will help. You can also have things like the tooth just smoothened a little bit so that it's not pressing against your other teeth as much and the forces are less. Okay, but all these things very important for you to get addressed, and make sure that you go see the dentist as soon as possible so that they can discuss with you how to save this tooth. And at Dental Designs Clinic, we aim to save every tooth.